Hello everyone, my name is Nanesh from class 7.
I am Manideep from class 8.
My name is Eswar from class 7.
We are studying in Sri Shraddha Vidyanayam,
Sitamdara.
Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Our project name is Save Birds.
The problem statement for our project is nowadays so many birds are dying due to humans' modern inventions like mobile phones and cell phone towers, etc. If all birds are die in the world, all the worms and insects will grow their population. That's my problem statement.
Now I show our project.
This is our project. We should have to click on the save for the next page. We can save birds by doing little things like providing a source of water for them to drink. Further, we can elevate bird feeders and plant native plants and trees for them. Similarly, we can put up bird houses and garden organically so that birds can feed on insects and worms. We should have to click on this for go to next page. 8 ways to save birds. You should have to click on this. Now this is the first way, and we should have to click on the next for the next page. Next way, second way, keep the pets indoor. Next way, third way, use natural pest control. Next way, fourth way, join conservation groups. Next way, fifth way, place trash in appropriate bins. Sixth way, slow down on the road. Seventh way, avoid plastic products. Eighth way, enjoy nature. This is our project.
Thank you.
Thank you.